Manish Kumar and Prabhakar from Bihar. To you, Manishi, first, Patliputra is extremely interesting. Misa Bharti has been trying for a win for at least 2-3 terms now. Ramkripal Yadav, of course, is looking for a third term. Tell us how important is Misa Bharti's success in these elections for the performance of RJD, which is probably one of the most important constituents of the India bloc.
Vasudha, this is one seat which Lalu Yadav or his family member Misa Bharti, they are losing for the last 3 consecutive elections. In 2009, it was Lalu Yadav who was the RJD candidate who lost to Ranjan Yadav. After that, Misa Bharti, she is losing for the last 2 terms, and of course this time the contest is quite keen because Misa Bharti's candidature is being backed by this CPIML. So somewhere, and there is a kind of anti-incumbency also against the sitting BJP MP Ramkripal Yadav. But a lot in this round will depend, on the voting pattern of Karakat parliamentary constituency. Because if in Karakat, the core voters of NDA, if they desert, the NDA candidate Upendra Kushwaha, it will have some kind of impact on the adjoining seats of Ara, Buxar, Sasaram, as well as Patliputra. So everybody is keeping the fingers crossed. But of course, for Lalu Yadav and his family, this Patliputra seat, which as I told you earlier, it's considered somewhere jinx seat for them. So if this time Misa Bharti is not able to win this seat, so of course Lalu Yadav and his family members will have to somewhere leave or abandon this seat in the future. Vasudha.
Manishi, so important inside there, Ramkripal Yadav of the BJP looking for a third term, and of course Misa Bharti, the daughter of Lalu Prasad Yadav, fighting to break a jinx. Also, Prabhakar ji, tell us about the contests that are happening overall in Bihar, because 8 seats there, and Bihar has seen elections in every phase. So this has been a really long election for you guys.
Yeah, and not only 8 seats of Bihar, but I would say 3 seats of Jharkhand. So 11 interesting seats in fray and big names in fray. Talking about Jharkhand first, you have Sita Soren from Dumka. She is a Soren Bahu, and it's a Soren versus Soren fight at Dumka. Very, very interesting battle, very prestigious battle. She's contesting on the BJP ticket. Then you have Godda from where Nishikant Dubey, who happens to be the 2-term sitting MP, and he's seeking re-election from Godda for the for the third time rather. And now talking about Bihar, you have 8 Lok Sabha seats going to poll in the last and the final round of Lok Sabha polls here. Interestingly, big names in fray. You have Ravi Shankar Prasad from Patna Sahib, you have Misa Bharti and Ramkripal Yadav. Very interesting, very keen battle happening at Patliputra. You have R.K. Singh, the former union minister, who is contesting from Bhojpur. So very interesting candidates, big names in fray, and they would be here. So and then the Karakat, not to forget the Karakat, where you have Pawan Singh, a Bhojpuri superstar who has made this entire contest very triangular, and the man facing him on the NDA ticket is Upendra Kushwaha, who is a former union minister. So these are the big names whose fate would be decided today, sealed today, and all eyeballs, I would say, as far as Bihar is concerned, would be on Patliputra, where Misa Bharti and Ramkripal Yadav, they will be contesting against each other. And as far as Jharkhand is concerned, they would be keenly watching the Dumka seat for Sita Soren.
Right. Thank you, Prabhakar, for joining us with those details. The last phase of polling is going on in this country. In fact, it has started at 7 a.m. today. 57 seats in the fray, 30 of which were won by the NDA last time in 2019.